Hello everyone, welcome to Quant Masters. I'm Harshita Aliveli. Today we have Preeti with us who got placed in Accenture recently. So let's talk to her and get to know her interview experience with Accenture. So hi Preeti,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good Preeti. Firstly, I would like to congratulate you for getting placed in Accenture Preeti. We are very happy for you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so ready to share your experience with us?
Yes.
So before that, could you tell more about yourself Preeti?
Sure. So, my name is Preeti. I'm from Sangli, Maharashtra, from RIT College. So, recently, I have been placed in Accenture with a role of ASE, that is Advanced Software Engineering, with a 6.5 LPA package.
Okay, super. So, which branch are you from, Preeti?
Yeah, I'm from Information Technology.
You are currently studying or you have already passed out?
No, I'm currently studying. I'm from 2022 batch.
Okay, super. So, yeah, ready to share your interview experience with us?
Yes.
How many rounds were there in total, Preeti?
So the first one was the assessment test, which consisted the cognitive and then coding. And the next one was communication assessment test. That wasn't a elimination round.
Okay.
And the third one was interview.
Okay, super. So let's talk about every round in detail, okay?
Okay.
Tell us about the first round, Preeti. When did it actually happen? Do you remember the date?
Yeah. So first we got a mail at September 2022 that we have to select an assessment slot. So
Okay.
there were three slots, 9:30 a.m., 1 p.m. and 5 p.m. So I selected 5 p.m. slot, and the test happened on September 29.
Okay, so that was the first round.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell us about the first round, Preeti.
Yeah, so first was cognitive, total 50 questions in 50 minutes. So it had English, then critical reasoning, then abstract reasoning, then some questions of MS Office, then pseudo coding, and networking cloud also.
So all these questions were under one section itself.
Yeah,
MS Office questions, the coding questions, the critical reasoning questions, all were mixed.
yeah, it was like
Pick
one by one. There were
one
no
by one.
sections, one by one.
So overall time was given. There was no sectional time. 50
No,
questions,
no.
50 minutes.
Yeah,
So was the time sufficient?
yeah, it was sufficient.
And quant questions were asked?
No, only like critical reasoning, like flow charts, data arrangement, data sufficiency, those questions only.
Okay. So how were these questions, Preeti? Were they difficult, easy, or moderate types?
They were like medium, easy to medium.
Okay. So you could
But
answer them easily. You didn't find them difficult.
no, but like some of my friends who gave the test at 9:30 a.m., they found it a little bit difficult.
Okay, fine. So was this an on-campus interview, Preeti? It was an
Yes,
on-campus? Okay, fine. Yeah, so
yes,
this
yes.
this was the first round, right?
Yeah, this was first, and then after completing this test, we will get a mail that you have completed your cognitive assessment test. Do not close the browser. Now you will be continued to the coding test.
So immediately, if you have cleared the first round, you will have to take up the second round immediately, the coding
Immediately.
assessment.
Yes.
Okay. So what were the questions that were asked in the coding section?
Like there were two questions. Like I don't remember the actual coding questions, but they were like simple. They were simple, like sum of odd numbers. Like there were scenario based, like problem statements.
You found them easy. You could execute both
Yeah,
of them.
yeah.
Okay. So yeah, this was also an elimination round, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So when did you get to know that you have cleared the coding round as well?
So the next day, like this test happened at 29th September, and we got the mail of that you have cleared the test. Now you can go to the communication assessment on
Okay.
30th September.
The very next day, you could take up
Next day.
the communication test, which was not an elimination round, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So could you tell us about the communication test, Preeti?
Yeah, actually, I faced a lot of problems because this requires like zero noise in background.
Okay.
So some of my friends couldn't even it wasn't able to give the communication round
Okay.
because of this. Like some of them didn't have correct earphones.
Oh,
So after like trying for 3 to 5 times, I
oh,
was able to give it. So it was like reading the line one by one. Then there used to be an audio. We have to listen it and we have to repeat the sentence,
okay. So
same
basically, it will
sentence
be
again.
they are checking your reading skills, your speaking skills, your listening skills, right?
Listening skills. Yeah.
There will be a statement and you have to read it out. Then in the next round, they will be reading
Yes.
out a statement. You have to hear carefully, listen carefully, and then repeat it. This is
Yeah.
how it happens, right?
Yes. Yes.
And then what else was asked?
The audio contain a big paragraph, and then we have to listen it and we have to repeat the same paragraph, like a summary.
Okay, in
And
your
they
own words,
also yeah.
right? Okay.
Yes.
Then statements will be given which will be jumbled and you have to rearrange them.
Jumble. Yeah. Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
These all things happen, right?
Yeah.
This is
Yeah.
what we call it as version test. Yeah. Okay. So when did the final round happen, Preeti? That must be
So
a interview if I'm not wrong.
yes. Yes.
Yeah. Please continue.
So I got a mail at October 3 that I have to select a interview slot timing.
Okay.
So I selected 10 a.m. slot, which was the first one, and my interview was there on October 5.
Okay. After a day. So on September 30th, the communication test happened. And after
Yes.
5 days, October 5th, you had to take up your interview.
Yeah.
So that was an technical interview or an HR interview?
No, totally HR interview was there.
It was complete HR interview. There was no technical
Yes.
interview at all.
No.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Please go ahead. Tell us about it.
Okay. So I actually got a call at 9:50 a.m. only, like
Okay.
10 minutes early. And he was very friendly. Like he introduced himself first, like he was cloud analyst and 13 years experience, etc. Then he told me to introduce myself. Then he asked me about my project. Then he asked me like are you were you a leader in this project? Then I said yes. Then he asked me about the difficulties I faced and how I communicated during the lockdown, because this project happened in the lockdown. So these questions were there. Then what were the certification you have done? Then tell me about that certificates. So this much only, like 10 minutes interview was there.
Okay. Oh, the entire interview finished in just 10 minutes.
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. You didn't have the technical interview and even the HR interview was quite simple.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Really good. Okay, so that was the entire interview experience.
Yes.
And when did you get to know the final results, Preeti?
On October 20th.
Okay, you had to wait around like 15 days,
15
to
days,
get the
yeah.
final results.
Yes.
Okay, that's really nice. And yeah, do you have any tips or suggestions to your friends and juniors, Preeti, who are trying to get placed in Accenture especially?
Yeah, like first of all, do not feel underconfident, like I can't do this and everything. Like, we can do it. We just have to know the technique of how to study it. And like I will suggest like taking a course, because they will guide you. They'll suggest the proper resources, and that is much helpful for us.
Okay, and since you are a student of Quine Masters, would you like to tell how was your journey with Quine Masters, Preeti?
Yeah, sure. So I did this in June, I think. Yeah, June. So at that time, I was actually like searching for good courses for interview preparation and aptitude. And I at that time I found Quant Master, and I checked the reviews. The reviews are really good, and it is like the most affordable good course which you can find here online. So I took it. Like, I didn't even regret paying 2000, because it was worth it. The aptitude lectures, and also the logical and the technical, like the pseudo coding and the coding was really difficult for me at first, but now I can solve it, because you guys teach us in that particular technique, and you are like, you're not like a teacher, you're like a friends. So you teach us in a very simple way, and it is very easy to understand. So it was very good experience for me to join Quant Masters.
Okay, thanks for the kind words, Preeti. We are happy that you found the course useful. And one last question, Preeti, would you recommend Quine Masters to your friends and juniors?
Yeah, absolutely. I would love to recommend it.
Thank you so much. And also, thanks for being here, sharing all the information with us, Preeti. I'm sure students who are watching this will find it very helpful.
Thank you.
Once again, congratulations and all the very best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Take care.
You too.